Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add the sub count in OBS. So basically, first things first, you want to head over to YouTube Studio, and from here you then want to click on Analytics. Simply inside, you just want to navigate through the See Live Count option, and from here you just want to copy the URL, and then you want to head over to your OBS Studio right here. Click on the plus icon, head over to your browser, and from here you can just go ahead and customize this into something like sub count. Click on OK, and basically inside you then want to paste the URL right here. Click on the OK button, and then you want to go ahead and interact with the browser right here. You can just go ahead and log in your account, and basically after all of that you will be taken to this page right here. Now to make this simple, let's just go ahead and skip this to the sub count part. Let's go ahead and say that this is already your sub count. You can just go ahead and press on the Alt button, and then you want to highlight the sub count right here. And from there, you just want to go ahead and place this to any screen you want to. So once again, you can just go ahead and right click on the sub count right here, click on interact, and then you want to log in your YouTube account. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.